Action! Hi, I'm Mylene Nacolanga and it's 5 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon and I have a very important announcement. I found this beauty product that will make you change, literally. I introduce you Beautone. Not only will it make your face beautiful, but also your whole body. To prove it to you, I'm going to give you a sample. Now, just wait for a second. I feel hot. Oh my god! Ulit. Action! Ba't di nakakulose? Ay, sorry! Hi, I'm Mylene and it's 5:04 p.m. in the afternoon and I have a very important announcement. I found this beauty product that will make you change, literally. I introduce you Beautone. Not only will it make your face beautiful, but also your whole body. Imagine that. To prove it to you, I'm going to give you an example. Now wait for a second. Oh my god, I feel so hot.
Ba't ka nagsalita?
Oh, tumingin ka pa. Oh. Dapat nasa ano?
Tingnan nga natin.
Action! Oh my god! Ang ganda! Ganda! Action! Oh my god! I'm so pretty! Oh my, I am becoming Lagyan mo nga dito tayo. Ang dialogue. Lagyan mo ng dialogue. Di ko mga... Action! Oh my god! I'm so pretty! I told you it's not on your face, it's also in... Sabi niya. I told you it's not only in your face, it's also in your... Oh my god! I'm so pretty! I see, I told you it's not only on your face, it's also in your body will be sexy! Oh my god, I'm becoming more prettier!
Yes. Who are you?
It's me, Mylene! Oh! Yeah, I'm Mylene. Don't know me?
Nakalimutan mo.
Ayun mo na, Flip! Gago! Action! Yes!
You a joke? Tawa na ako. Yes.
Yes! Ano ba naman yan?
Yes.
Yes! Nakaulo ka lang! Nagawasan ako sa lang!
Who are you?
It's me, Mylene!
You're not Mylene.
It's me,
No,
Mylene!
you're not. Ano bang problema mo?
So you're telling me I'm a liar? So I'm a liar! Answer me! Bakit naman kasaltangin siya? Hindi! Pag sinabi niya, answer me, I'm a liar, sabi niya, sorry, I'm not.
Hindi mo pa naman sinabi yung ano eh.
I'm a liar? So, I'm a liar. Answer me, I'm a liar?
Sorry, calm down. Calm down.
Sorry. So that's how you say sorry? Sorry po, ate, sorry. Tanggap mo yun? Oh, you really shout it out. Yeah. You really shout it out. Yun ko you really shout it out. Ganun mo ako.
Ginanon mo ako.
I'm just returning the favor.
I'm just returning a favor. I'm just returning a favor.
Gumalaw-galaw ko naman! Hindi ba ako
Ay, good.
Siyempre natatameme ka.
Gumanon ka na. Ganun ka na lang. I'm just returning a favor. Tapos,
No!
tapos, I'm just returning a favor. Tapos, no, sorry. Oh my God, you're a freaking liar, bro! Ganun
Hindi.
ka.
No. Sinabi mo, ano ba problema mo? Tapos, ano problema mo? Sabi mo, no, gagalong ka. Oh my God, you're freaking liar, bro. Sige na.
Sure na yan, ha?
Go na.
Sure na yan.
You're a freaking liar, bro! Picture ng boyfriend ko.